Today I'm going to teach you how to add multiple columns in Smartsheet. This is a really efficient way to expand your spreadsheet structure without having to insert columns one by one, which can save you a lot of time when you're setting up or reorganizing your workspace. First, you'll want to go to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready so you can access your dashboard quickly. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see all your existing files and sheets. Take a moment to locate the specific sheet where you want to add multiple columns. Once you've found it, click on it to open it up. This will load your sheet and display all the current columns and data you're working with. Now, here's where the process gets interesting. Before you start inserting columns, you need to first identify exactly how many columns you want to add. Let's say you want to add 3 columns. The trick here is to select that exact number of columns first. Click on the header of any column to select it. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on another column header. This will highlight all the columns between your first and second click. Make sure you have exactly 3 columns highlighted if you want to insert 3 new columns. This step is crucial because Smartsheet uses the number of highlighted columns to determine how many new columns to insert. Once you have the correct number of columns highlighted, right-click on any of the highlighted column headers. A context menu will appear with several options. If you want to add your new columns to the right side of your highlighted selection, click on Insert 3 Columns Right. If you prefer to add them to the left side of your highlighted columns, select Insert 3 Columns Left instead. This gives you complete control over where your new columns appear in your sheet structure. And that's it. Your multiple columns will be inserted exactly where you specified, and you can now start customizing them with the column names and data types you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.